Hello crocheters, welcome back. Here we are working on our hanging basket. Your loop should be completed and you've worked all the way down the left hand side of your project. Secure the yarn you had here from your magic circle. So you had the magic circle, remember we didn't join it in the round, so you want to secure it and weave it into your work, okay? And then what we're going to do is you want to cut your yarn. So we're going to cut it twice the length of the bottom of our project here, okay? So 2 times the length, all right? And on our last stitch here, I pulled my loop pretty good, so you're going to just want to knot this. We don't want all our work up the side to come off, so knot that. Okay, now we are going to fold this in the rules of 3. So here we go. We want the right side to be on top of the left, and I'll show you why in a minute. So we're going to fold it into 3, and we're going to make like a sandwich with our project, trying to get them as even as possible, okay? And the right side is on top of the left because we'll start stitching on this side, working our way to the left, and we need to go up the project to make the basket, okay? So we are going to start sewing right here. You've got your yarn nice and secure. It's a simple whip stitch. So we're just going to make sure that we're getting in all 3 layers of our project here. Okay, so now we've gone through all 3. A whip stitch, we're just going to go over the top just like that and through all 3 again. Okay, making sure it shows up on top, just like that. So go through all 3. Make sure your yarn is on top. Just see that? Okay, it's making it nice and secure. Hopefully you can see it. Nice and tight. Okay, work your way all the way to the end. Okay, when you get to the top, you want to give it a couple of stitches. Okay, just because this is going to get a little bit of wear. So I try to give it a couple of stitches there as neatly as I can. All right. And then of course knot off. See how that gives it a little bit more secure. Knot everything off, tuck in your tails. And y'all, you have a new basket. I am making these for my boys for Valentine's. That's why mine is in red. I'm gonna stuff it with all sorts of little treats and goodies and notes of love. So do what you like, what makes you happy, what gives you great joy. Make projects for the people you love. Okay, folks, knotted it off, and here it is. It's got a nice, deep inside pocket. It's hard to get it all on the screen. This is gonna hang nice on the bedpost, I think. So hopefully you've enjoyed this project. If you can give us a like and a subscribe, we'd love to see you again for other projects in the future.